We'll guide you through how to choose between Figma and Adobe XD for your design needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Figma website. Figma is a web-based design tool, which means you can access your projects from anywhere without installing software, making it perfect for collaboration. Check out its key features like real-time collaboration, which allows multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously. You can also explore its extensive plugin ecosystem to extend functionality according to your needs. Next, let's switch over to Adobe XD. Go to Adobe's website and download the Adobe XD application if you haven't already. Adobe XD is known for its robust prototyping capabilities and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop and Illustrator. If you're already using Adobe products, XD might offer you a more integrated workflow. Consider the pricing as well. Figma offers a free tier with limited features, while Adobe XD requires a subscription, which might be a consideration if budget is a concern. Think about the kind of projects you're working on. If you need strong prototyping and animation tools, Adobe XD might be the better choice. But if collaboration and flexibility are your top priorities, Figma could be the way to go. Finally, try out both tools if possible. Most users find that hands-on experience helps in making the final decision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.